VXL Educational Trust is an organization dedicated to serving children and adults with special needs. We serve all kinds of special needs, ranging from developmental delays, emotional problems, and autism, and other intellectual challenges. VXL is a lifespan organization. The early intervention program is really quite powerful because you have to catch them young. You can make a big difference at that age because whatever you do outside to the body reaches the child's brain and neurologically makes a big impact. Earlier, the intervention greater the scope for development, greater the chance of inclusion.
காக்கா கதை சொல்றியா?
காக்கா
ஓகே. அப்புறம் என்னாச்சு?
Some children who continue to need special needs come into our Kaleidoscope Learning Center, which follows an innovative curriculum which is known as Waldorf curriculum. It's based on the teachings of Rudolf Steiner. This is called the curative education, which means you work with the child in a very holistic manner. It's you work on healing the child in whatever way the healing is required, whether it's at a body level or a psychological, emotional level and so on. So as the child heals, he becomes more and more able to work on learning skills and the creativity factor becomes very high. Kaleidoscope Learning Center also works as an after-school program, as a remedial program. And people who go to other schools come here for additional remedial therapy or for additional guidance. Very, very important component of our training programs is the Vocational Training Center and the Vocational Job Developmental Center. So from Kaleidoscope Learning Center, they move into vocational training and we create livelihoods for young adults with special needs. So we encourage them in various professions like services like laundry, car washing and things like that. Art-based products, jewelry making, making pouches, making bags, art and craft. And we also have assembly line products like bags and paper cups and pakumatai tattu, those leaf plates. And we also encourage them to go into automotive repair and so on. At the office front also, we do photocopying, data entry and encourage them to learn computer skills. We encourage innovative creative therapies like play therapy, art therapy, music therapy. We call them all joy therapy. And these are supplemented with occupational therapy and other fitness activities. Any organization is only as good as its people and its professionals. So VXL has excellent professionals, creative and committed, and they have a great sense of belonging. So they take the organization as their own and work towards its development. I think this is the secret of VXL's success.
Let's join hands and play.
We also train regular schools in child development and various classroom strategies, and so that they can become very conscious teachers and conscious educators. We have workshops for the corporate sector as well, and we do a lot of parent training in every aspect, in every field. Anybody who attends our annual days or sports days or programs hosted by our centers can feel this difference because it's really deep and very holistic. So VXL Educational Trust has a long way to go, but that's a lot of work left for us to do.